I asked my teacher friends what their number one challenge at work was. They all said having too much to do and not enough time to do it. In this video, I'm going to help them fix that. We all know the story: piles of paperwork, endless planning, and the clock that just doesn't have enough hours. As teachers, you're tasked with the monumental job of shaping minds, often with more on your plate than time allows. But what if I told you there's a way to tackle all of these challenges head on? A way to do your work not just faster, but also smarter? Enter ChatGPT, an AI language model that's transforming the way that educators plan, create, and communicate. In this video, I'll guide you through what ChatGPT is, how you can easily sign up, and the basics of how to use it. Let's make your teaching experience more manageable and enjoyable with the power of AI. Alright, before we dive into some real examples, what exactly is ChatGPT? So for those that are hearing about it for the first time, ChatGPT is like having a knowledgeable assistant at your fingertips, one that never gets tired or needs a coffee break. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts that you give it. Think of it like having a conversation with a really smart friend who can help with a variety of tasks. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility and ease of use. Whether you're asking it to draft a quiz, brainstorm project ideas, or even compose emails, it's ready to assist. And the best part is that it learns from every interaction, making it more helpful each time you use it. Getting started with ChatGPT is a breeze. Just visit chat.openai.com and sign up for an account, and you're all ready to get started for free with this AI marvel. It's user-friendly and you don't need any technical experience to get ready. So now that we're familiar with what ChatGPT is, let's get you started on using this incredible tool. Trust me, it's easier than grading a true or false quiz. So first things first, you need to head over to this ChatGPT website here. You'll find the option to access ChatGPT. If you haven't signed up yet, no worries. The process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and create your account. Once you're logged in, this is the interface that you'll be greeted with. It's clean, uncluttered, and super user-friendly. You'll see a space where you can type in your queries or prompts at the bottom. That's your gateway to unleashing the power of AI in your teaching. So let's give it a try. Type in a question or a task that you need help with. It could be anything from generate a quiz on photosynthesis to how do I explain algebraic equations in a fun way, and then watch as ChatGPT provides you with thoughtful, well-crafted responses in seconds. Remember, the more specific the prompt, the better the response. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions or clarify your needs. ChatGPT is here to make your teaching life easier and more efficient. Imagine planning your entire unit in just a few keystrokes. Does that sound like a dream? Well, with ChatGPT, it's reality. Let's explore how this AI assistant can revolutionize your lesson planning process. Whether you're teaching about Shakespeare or the solar system, ChatGPT can help you craft comprehensive unit plans. Let's try it out. We'll ask ChatGPT to create a unit plan for, say, a 9th grade biology class covering genetics. So look at this. In under a minute, ChatGPT has provided a structured outline including objectives, teaching materials, even interactive learning activities, assessment methods, classroom discussions, possible field trips, and all kinds of other things. It's like having a virtual teaching assistant at your side. What's fantastic about this is the customization. You can ask ChatGPT to align the plan with specific curriculum standards or modify it to cater to different learning styles. It's all about making the plan work for you and your students. And there you have it, lesson planning made simpler and faster with ChatGPT. No more late nights trying to piece together a unit plan. With ChatGPT, you get a solid foundation that you can build upon and personalize as you see fit. Next up, let's tackle one of the more time-consuming tasks, creating assignments. With ChatGPT, you can generate detailed curriculum-aligned questions in a flash. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're teaching a unit on World War II and need to come up with some thought-provoking questions. Simply ask ChatGPT, generate 5 discussion questions for a high school history class on World War II. And voila! You can see how quickly it generates those questions. Notice the diversity and the depth of these questions too. ChatGPT doesn't just give you run-of-the-mill prompts, it provides questions that encourage critical thinking and engagement. This is ideal for stimulating lively classroom discussions and deep learning. You can tailor these questions to different difficulty levels or even ask for various types of questions like multiple choice, short answer, or essay. Need something more specific? Just refine your request to focus on a particular aspect of that topic. Creating assignments is no longer a daunting task. With ChatGPT, you can generate a range of questions that not only align with your curriculum, but also cater to your students' diverse learning needs. It's like having a brainstorming partner that's always there ready to help. If you're finding this helpful and informative so far, please hit the like button. Communication is key in teaching, but it can be quite time-consuming as well, whether it's drafting emails to parents or creating informative handouts for students. Here's where ChatGPT can be a real lifesaver. Let's say you need to write an introductory email to parents at the beginning of the school year. You want it to be warm, informative, and engaging. Just tell ChatGPT, for instance, write an introductory email to parents of my 4th grade class highlighting this year's goals and exciting projects. Take a look at this. In moments, ChatGPT created a draft that hit all the right notes. It's friendly, clear, and perfectly pitched for teachers. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your communication is professional and thoughtful. You can see here it says, "Dear parents and guardians," explains academic excellence, critical thinking and problem solving, collaboration, communication, character development, some exciting projects that are planned for the year. They got science fair, reading adventures, community outreach, creative arts. Got a professional sign off there. The great thing about this is the customization, as I've mentioned in the previous examples too, so feel free to tweak the draft to suit your personal touch and specific details about your class. ChatGPT gets you most of the way there, but you'll want to add some of your own personal flair to really make it perfect. With ChatGPT, drafting emails, newsletters, or any other form of communication becomes a breeze. It's like having a co-writer who understands your needs and helps articulate your thoughts effectively and efficiently. We've explored how ChatGPT can revolutionize lesson planning and assignments, but its versatility doesn't stop there. Let's take a quick look at some other fantastic ways that this AI can assist you in the classroom. For instance, creating quizzes. Need a pop quiz on algebra? Just ask ChatGPT to generate one. How about brainstorming ideas for interactive class activities? ChatGPT can provide a list of creative suggestions tailored to your subject and grade level. So here I'm going to say, write a quiz for 5th graders about the water cycle with 20 questions. Include 15 multiple choice and 5 questions requiring them to write a paragraph each. Okay, so we can see here it's got the multiple choice questions. What's the primary source of energy that drives the water cycle? Wind, sun, moon, stars. It's got all these multiple choice questions. Then down here we've got the short questions where it says to write a paragraph about each. So we've got like, describe the role of the sun in the water cycle and how it affects the movement of the earth. Explain the difference between evaporation and transpiration. Stuff like that. Or let's talk about project guidance. If your students need inspiration for their projects, ChatGPT can offer a range of ideas from science experiments to history presentations, ensuring they're educational and engaging. And don't forget personalized learning. ChatGPT can help create tailored learning resources for students who need extra support or challenges, making sure every student gets the attention that they deserve. The possibilities are endless, from simplifying administrative tasks to enhancing creative teaching methods. ChatGPT is an all-around asset for teachers. It's all about making your job easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. As we wrap up this journey through the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT for teachers, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. From crafting detailed lesson plans and creating diverse assignments to easing the burden of routine communications and beyond, ChatGPT emerges as more than just a tool. It's a reliable partner in your teaching journey. We've seen how ChatGPT can make your work not only faster, but also more effective and engaging. It opens up new possibilities for personalization, creativity, and efficiency in your teaching. So why not give it a try? Experiment with ChatGPT, explore its vast potential, and see how it can transform your approach to teaching. And when you do, don't forget to share your experiences with us. Your insights would be a valuable resource for fellow educators. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of ChatGPT for teachers. Hope this video inspires you to embrace the power of AI in education. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and until next time, keep inspiring minds and shaping the future.